Hey you guys, what's up? It's Amanda, and today I'm here to demonstrate how easy it is to put the Lowbrow Customs 21-inch rib spool hub with 3/4 inch bearings for 3/4 inch axles on this mid-USA Springer front end. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use the black wheel, also available in chrome. As you can see, it is not possible to use a front brake on this spool hubbed wheel. Here at Lowbrow Customs, we make it as easy as possible for you to do all of this at home. We have these pre-measured spacer kits for you to fit the Lowbrow Customs wheel on this mid-USA Springer without having to cut, measure, anything. So let's get to this install. I'll show you how easy it is. For this mid-USA Springer, you will need a 1-inch wrench or 1-inch socket, whichever you prefer, to take off this axle. It's already pre-loosened, so I'll just use my hand, take that off. And then the next thing you're gonna wanna do is lube up the axle. So once that's all lubed up, what you want to do is feed the axle through. And then the next thing you're going to want to do, take one of your spacers and put it onto that axle. Make sure it's not fed through too much. And then take your wheel and line it up with that axle and feed that through. Now you want to hold it. The easiest way I found to do this is to hold it in the center at that hub, just to make sure everything is dead center. Otherwise you'll have difficulty getting that on. And then start to push that axle through. Once you can feel the axle coming almost all the way through that hub, grab your other spacer, slip that on there. Again, make sure everything is center. Lift up on that hub again, just a little bit to make sure that axle goes through. So now that you have the axle through, you want to put the nut on. Grab that 1-inch wrench and your 1-inch socket. Okay. Just make sure that's tight. And the cool thing about these spacers, as you can see, we did all the math for you, and these spacers are machined to be equal length so that the hub is in the center and you don't pull the rockers in together. And that's how easy it is to get the Lowbrow Customs 21-inch rib spool hub front wheel on the mid-USA Springer front end using the Lowbrow Customs spacer kit. Here at lowbrowcustoms.com, we have a wide variety of tires, tubes, rim strips, anything you need to get your front end dialed in. If you like this video, click the like button, comment below, and subscribe to our channel. Now go for a ride.